Bro, it says 6 fucking miles, bro. What the fuck? I don't know, man. Yep, I had to get told with a t-shirt because you already know with desperate times, you need desperate solutions. So, as some of y'all might know, my bike won't start. So, we think that it's the fuel pump because it's not priming. Oh, hold on. Like, if you hear it, like, you don't hear it priming. But we think it's the fuel pump because George is doing the same thing that happened to George, like, about 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks? 3 weeks ago? We went to a ride. We went to a gas station just to go chill. And then, literally, bro, when we were about to leave, his bike won't turn on. It's doing the same thing as what mine is doing. So what we think it could be the same thing as the pump, because like I went to the gym, I got back, I'm literally about to get to the interstate, and then it turns off. I'm like, what the fuck? What's going on? So I turned on my bike again, and I had 6 miles to empty. So then I'm like, I'm not out of gas, and I'm shaking the tank, and it's not out of gas. Can we just take a look? Oh my God, it looks so good. Looks so good. Okay, so I gotta remove the tank, my fairings, side fairings, remove, tank out, and we're gonna head to Gsxr. To remove the fuel pump from this bike and put it on this bike, cause until I get my fuel pump, that's gonna be like 4 days from now, and it's Saturday, and I need to be on you, not her. I need to be on you. So it's time to get to work, man. So I took both bikes apart. And honestly, dude, I told you straight up, I'm like, bro, that's too much wiring for me. Like, I gotta take the inside fuel tank out. And I know there's little pieces because we've done it before. Like, it's completely different. And honestly, I don't want to fuck up. I don't want to miss anything, like no tiny little things. So I'm just gonna take both the Geos. We're gonna do it there with him, because I don't want to fuck this up. All right, so moment of truth. Let's see if it's the pump. Oh, fuck. I mean, you can hear the. I'm gonna add a little bit more gas because I hear the pump, but I'm gonna add more gas because I don't even see like that. So I'm gonna just add a little bit more gas. Yes! Yes! She's alive! All right. I'll put the tank back on. And we're back on business, baby. We are back on business. Yes, sir. So all I have to do now is just put everything back on. Put the side fairings, make sure the two hoses are in. Side fairing, seat. And we are Gucci. Yo, so I came to test drive the bike. The pump is working amazing. The bike is performing. So it's ready to hit the streets. So I'm glad that problem is taken care of. But like always, ride safe. It's not for the Gsxr, baby.